Hello everyone, welcome to day 14 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve this question confirmation rate. So in this table, in this question there are two tables, signups and confirmations. So sign up is the table where the each user has is the info in this table there is the information of each user and when in on which date they signed up. Okay, so this is the user ID is the primary key for this table, and the time stamped this column gives us the sign up time for the user with user ID. And there is another table called confirmations. So in this table, user ID and time step together is a primary key together. Combination of columns with unique values of this table. User ID is the foreign key to the sign up table, and action is an enum category of the type confirmed and timeout. So in the action column, there will be two values, either confirmed or timeout. Each row of this table indicates that the user ID with user uh, each row indicates that the user ID requested a confirmation message at the timestamp, and the confirmation message was either confirmed or expired without confirming. So there is some confirmation message that the user asks to generate or something, and that message was either confirmed or timed out. It was expired. So it is some kind of a problem we have to solve. Okay. So the question is, find the confirmation rate of the user. The confirmation of a user is the number of confirmed messages divided by total number of requested messages. Confirmation did not. So write a solution to find the confirmation rate of the each user. This is the question. So what is the confirmation rate? It is given by this definition: total confirmed messages divided by total number of requested confirmation messages. That is either uh, when a user ID sends a particular message, it can be either confirmed or not confirmed. It is timeout. So if a user ID sends suppose 10 messages, of those suppose 2 messages got confirmed, then the rate will be 2 divided by 10. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate. Okay, and you can say this is like a confirmation rate is like an average of confirmed. Okay, we can do it using the average function also. Okay, so let us understand this by having looking through the example table. This is the sign up table. It has 4 users. It has logged the sign up in on those times. These are the times. Now this is the confirmation table. It has in the user ID column. It has actually three users. One user is missing here. User ID 6 is missing here. Okay. Now user ID 3 uh, generated how many messages? 2. Both were timed out. So rate will be what? 0. For user ID 3, rate is 0. Again for 7, how many messages it generated? 3 messages, all were confirmed. So rate will be what? 1. So for user ID 7, the rate is 1. Again for user ID 2, 2 messages were sent out. One was confirmed, one was not. So the rate will be 0.5. So the user ID 2 is confirmation rate is 0.5. And since the user ID 6 is not here, that means he did not send any messages. That means the confirmation rate will be what? 0. Because he did not send any messages. Okay, the confirmation rate will be 0. So this is the explanation. Now, how do you solve this problem? Although this problem might seem like how there will be like, what is the process of solving this problem? What is how do you solve this problem? There is not a clear indication of solving the problem. We know that we have to when we want the output, we have to group by the user ID column. We know this part, but how to find the confirmation rate? There can be different approaches. Try yourself. Try to find the answer. Go to LeetCode. Try to solve this solution. Okay, if you after you have done, come back here. I will be solving it. So I will be solving without any CT, just by using a join, left join. I'll be solving this question. So why I am using the left join? Because I need all the users. I need the confirmation rate for all the users. This table might not have all the users. Confirmations table might not have all the users. But the sign up table must have all the users. Therefore, I am joining the sign up table, left joining the sign up table with the confirmation table on the basis of user ID. Okay, let me show you the when I join these two table, user ID, sorry, sign up table and confirmation table. Okay, select the user ID. I am selecting the user ID only. I am selecting the user ID, that is s.user ID. Okay, and I am taking the action part also. So from the C table, I am taking the action just to show you something. Action, and from I am that is sign up. Suppose S left join the confirmation table. Confirmations C table on the basis of S dot user ID equal to C dot user ID. I am just doing this part. Okay, I am not doing any group by or anything. Let me show you the table of this query. Now, where is my output? This is the one. So user ID 3, only 3. So in the original table, there was, this is the confirmation table. So in the confirmation table, there were 3, user ID 3 was 2 times. So in my table also, user ID 3 is 2 times. 7 is 3 times, 7 is 3 times. 2 is 2 times, 2 is 2 times here. But 6 is not here. In the confirmation table, it is not here. But in the sign up table, it was 6. 6 was present. So since it could not get joined with anything from the confirmation table, it got a row by itself and it is null. Okay. Now what will I do? I am going to do a I'm going to build a column on the basis of the action column. Okay. Whenever this action column is equal to what? Confirmed. Confirmed. I need something called confirmed. Whenever, if, so whenever this happens, if this happens, I want 1, else I want 0. As suppose flag. Okay. Now let me write the action column also. C dot show. Let me run this. 0 timeout 0 0, confirm 1 1 1, timeout 0, confirmed 1, null is 0. Now if I do the average of all three, if I do the average, suppose timeout 0 0. So if I do the if I group by user ID and average of flag, that is 0 plus 0 by 2, answer will be 0. 7, if I group by 7 and average of flag will be what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3, average will be what? 1. 3 by 3, that is 1. Then similarly timeout. What is the average for user ID 2? For user ID 2, what is the average of flag? 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 0.5. What is the average of 6? 0 by 2, 0 by 1. So answer is 0. Okay. So let me do the average here. Let me put the average here. Now, let me write here confirmation rate. Confirmation rate, and then since I have put the average, I need to group by 1. Okay. Action, I don't need the action part now, only user ID. I'm grouping by user ID. So run this. See, user ID 3 0 7 1 2 0.5 6 0, and it got accepted also. But I need to round it off, right? Round to 2 decimal places, because if I submit, there will be some cases for which this will not get accepted. So I'm going to round this also, because this is just a sample code. Only one test is there. For this test, it got accepted. but for others it might not. So I'm going to round this table. So round the value. Okay, I'm just rounding the value by 2 decimal places. So my query is complete. Now, if you look the query first time, it would seem that this question is very easy. But when you try to solve this problem yourself, since there is lot of information, and the question might seem confusing to you how to solve this problem. So I hope you have understood the solution. Okay, let me submit. It got accepted 94%. Okay, I'm not really submitting now. So thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment it on the comment section. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.